Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations? We have 3 power a plus 3 power a plus 3 power a equals 72. Let's see how we can find the value of a here. So the first thing we consider here is the solution. Then we have 3 power of a, which is common to them. If we factor out 3 power a, so in the bracket we divide both sides by 3 power a, we have 1 plus also the second one, that is plus 1. The a is plus 1 equals 72. So if this is what we have, then we can just see this as 3 power of a multiplied by 3 equals 72. So then let's say we divide both sides by 3 here. So by dividing both sides by 3, we have 3 cancelled 3. And when 3 cancelled 3, here reduced to 3 power of a equals, so 3 will go in 72 in 24 times. And after having this, we have this as 3, we have this as 24. We cannot express 24 as the base of 3, so that we just cancel it and we get the value of a. So since we cannot do that, next thing we do here is we introduce log on both sides. So by introducing logarithm to both sides, so here becomes log 3 power of a equals log 24. And we have to apply some basic rule of logarithm from this point. Let's say we have log p raised to power of m. So this equals m log p. So applying this rule here, it becomes a log 3 equals log 24. Then let's divide both sides by log 3. So by dividing both sides by log 3 cancelled log 3. And here we have a equals log 24 divided by log 3. So having these expressions, so we have to proceed by writing this a. We can write this 24 here as the log of, so we can just say 3 multiplied by 8, that is 24, divided by log 3. And from this numerator, let's say we have log a times b. So this is the same thing as log a plus log b. So applying it to above, we have a equals log 3 plus log 8 divided by log 3. So we divide both sides by log 3 here. When we divide by log 3, we have this as log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 8 divided by log 3. And by what we have here, so log 3 cancels log 3, we have 1, as we write everything as, so we write it as a equals 1 plus log 8 divided by log 3. And after having this, we have to consider this rule as well, that suppose we have log a divided by log b. So this equals log a base b. So applying this here, we have a equals 1 plus log 8 base 3. So you can just consider this as the solution here, but we have to verify if this satisfies the given question. So to check if we really get this answer, the question says 3 power a plus 3 power a plus 3 power a. We want to check if this will be equal to 72 when we substitute the value of a here. So let's substitute the value of a into this. We have this as 3 raised to the power of 1 plus log 8 base 3 plus 3 raised to the power 1 plus log 8 base 3 plus 3 raised to the power of 1 plus log 8 base 3. I want to show that everything here equals 72. So when we separate this, we have two things under the top. This follows when we have a raised to the power b plus c. So this is just like a raised to the power b multiplied by a raised to the power of c. So by applying it, we have 3 raised to the power of 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power log 8 base 3 plus 3 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of log 8 base 3 plus 3 raised to the power 1 dot 3 raised to the power of log 8 base 3. So another important rule we have to note here is, let's say we have a raised to the power of log b base a. So this equals b. That is, we have a as 3 times, we are going to choose 8 plus 3 times 8 plus 3 times 8. 3 times 8 here, that is 24, plus 3 times 8, that is 24, plus 3 times 8, that is 24. And by adding the whole of this together, 24 plus 24 plus 24, so this gives us 72. And by this left hand side here, so we try to show that everything equals 72. So therefore, the addition of all these 24 plus 24 plus 24, everything also equals 72. That is, the left hand side here equals the right hand side. And this is how we can solve this problem and we get the final answer from here. So thanks for watching. Some might still decide that, okay, I don't want to leave it like this. I want to leave it in a simplest form as 1 plus 3 log 2 base 3. It's still allowed. So this is how to solve this. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.